Welcome to Motocompano. Let's discover some content and see how to explore it. Besides using the app for your own tours, which is covered in the map part, there are quite a few possibilities to get inspired by what others share with the community. That's what the Discover part here is all about. The big tile presents a recommended piece of content, and the small ones next to it show a random selection of public files in the upper row. And in the lower row, some motocompaneros are introduced. You can open the public profile of a user or the detailed views of a file directly by a tap on one of the small tiles. A tap on the big one opens the complete overview of the public content, sorted by file type. Recommended content is on top, followed by an assortment of tracks, POI, video tracks, tours and routes. You can find an overview of all the content that your friends have provided for you on the Only My Friends. Scroll each chapter sideways till you find something catching your interest. Let's see what's contained in this folder here. Please be a little patient when opening a file, as eventually it can take a bit to load everything contained from the database. Ah, nice! The folder opens in Stream View and begins with a video track, a file type you can only create in the web application, but can certainly share and explore in the app too. On top, you see the name of the opened file, a folder in this case. Underneath the name of the user who shared this folder, some information about the file is given. So this is a collection of 3 POI, a route and a video track. The video track is shown as a series of screenshots, and its course on the map as preview image. Switch to the info view to see the file's contents on the map or check what's contained in a folder or photo POI in edit view. Back in Stream View, you can scroll down and find the link to each file at the end of its visual representation. So, it's indeed possible to watch the full video track. You just can't download it, as file sizes of videos can be huge and would clutter up your device's space. Wow, this user's tour seems quite awesome. Let's see what else Motocompano shares with the community. To do so, open their public profile by a tap on the profile pic. Depending on the settings, you can now explore their motor life. Motocompano doesn't allow everybody to access their garage, but friends, adventures and the timeline are visible. You can open shared files in their respective views. Even copy some to your own database, if the user allows. Or use, for example, a route you discover to create a new own route based on it. From the friends list, you can open and explore other public profiles, and if motocompaneros post to the timeline, you can view what they contributed, often accompanied by shared files too. So even more to discover. And now, with this brief overview, feel free to discover on your own, get inspired by others and share your adventures with the community. Take care when on the road and have fun while you intensify your motor life with Motocompano.